Hey everyone, I'm Sahana and I'm an AI intern at FaxLab AI. So I want to ask you all a quick question. So have you ever wanted to create a professional movie or a stunning photo, but you did not have an expensive camera or a huge crew? Well, that's exactly what we are talking about today. I'm going to introduce you to Higgsfield AI, a tool that's basically a Hollywood studio living inside your laptop. So what is Higgsfield AI? Think of Xfeel as your all in one creative playground instead of jumping between five different apps to make one video. Higgsfield puts everything in one spot. It uses super smart AI to help you dream up videos and images from scratch, fix them up, and make them look perfect. It makes sure that anyone, whether you're a solo creator or a big business, you can make content that looks like it cost a fortune without actually spending one. Now you might wonder, how does it look so real? It is something called as Sota 2 Max. It's an AI that actually understands how the real world moves and looks. But that's not all. You get access to over 15 different engines. Some are great for fast action, others are perfect for cinematic, slow mo, and some are just for beautiful, high quality photos. It's like having a dozen different expert artists ready to work for you at the click of a button. So this is where it gets really cool. Higgsfield has some secret weapons that other tools just don't have. First is the Soul ID. Have you ever tried to make an AI video where the character's face changes every second? It's frustrating. Soul ID fixes that. It keeps the face exactly the same every time. Then there's Cinema Studio, which lets you play director with pro camera tricks. We also have a marketing studio for making ads in seconds, and lip sync studio, which makes your character speak any language perfectly. So, what are the corporate use cases? I mean, how are businesses using it? So, marketing teams are using it to pump out cool ads in record time. Content creators are making short films and social media clips that stop people from scrolling. Even online stores are using it to show off products without needing a physical photo shoot. And for training, it's perfect for making boring instruction manuals into engaging videos that people actually want to watch. So, how to use it? Now, let's what you need to do is you need to go to the website and you need to log in, wherein you'll see a clean dashboard, wherein you can pick your playground. If you want to make a movie, you can go to Cinema Studio. If you need an ad for a product, you can go to Marketing Studio. And once you're in, you just tell the AI what you're thinking. You can type it out, upload a photo, or even just paste a link to the product. It's designed to be easy for anyone to use. Once you've started, you get to be the director. So in Cinema Studio, you can pick your camera lens, you can decide how close the shot is, and even tell the camera how to move, like a smooth zoom or a cool pan. You can even tell your characters how to feel. You do you want them to look happy, sad, excited, anything that you want, you just choose. You can even string together up to six different shots to tell a whole story. It's like playing a video game, but the result is a professional movie. So now we'll look at this real world example. So imagine that you need an ad for a cool energy drink. So what you need to do is you don't need a gym, an athlete, or a camera crew. You just start with a photo of the runner. Then you use a tool called as draw to video. To literally draw the drink into their hand, you need to tell the AI that the runner is taking a sip, add a cool zoom in, and then hit generate. In just a few minutes, you've got a high energy ad that's ready to go viral. It is that fast. So, now talking about the advantages and limitations. Of course, no tool is perfect. The good stuff is obvious that it is really fast, it gives you total control, and it's way cheaper than an actual shoot. Plus, the character consistency is a lifesaver. But on the flip side, because it's so powerful, it can use up your credits pretty quickly. So, if you're making a lot of stuff, all your credits might get exhausted really fast. So while it's easy to start, mastering all the pro features takes a bit of practice. Now, looking at the pricing model, how much does this cost? So, Higgsfield AI has a plan for everyone. So, if you're just starting out, the basic plan is $9 a month. It gives you enough credits to start making cool videos right away. And if you're a pro or a business, the ultra plan at $129 a month gives you a ton of credits, faster speed, and lets you make multiple things at the same time. So, it's a flexible system that grows with you. So, next, looking at the future potential of Higgsfield AI, the future is bright for the company. They're working on making longer videos so that one can eventually make full length movies in it. They're also building AI agents, basically smart assistants that can help you write, direct, and edit your whole project from start to finish. The goal is to make sure that the only limit to what you can create is your own imagination and nothing else. So we are moving toward a world where anyone can be a world class creator. So that's Higgsfield AI in a nutshell. I hope that I gave you a good look at the platform. So thank you so much for listening.